Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I'm saying about the linked list, and let's see the program. Hash include access from hash include std.h using namespace std struct node int data struct node star preview struct node star next star head star ptr star temp int main int ch void insert beg void insert last void insert post void in delete beg void delete last void delete post void display do count and choose to one and insert two delete three display four exit sin c in less than ch greater than ch switch ch case one count c out less than intersection menu one insert at beginning two insert at end three insert at specified position 4 exit c in greater than ch switch ch case 1 insert beg break case 2 insert last break case 3 insert post break 4 case 4 exit default count c out less than wrong choice break case 2 c out deletion menu 1 delete at beginning 2 delete at end 3 delete at specified position exit switch ch c in less than greater than ch case 1 delete back break case 2 delete last break case 3 delete post break case 4 exit default c out less than wrong choice break case 3 display break while ch is equals to 4 void insert beg int and ptr is equals to struct node star malloc size of struct bracket struct node c out less than enter data c in greater than n if ptr is equals to null c out less than overflow else if head is equals to null ptr minus less than greater than next is equals to null ptr minus greater than preview is equals to null ptr minus greater than data is equals to n head is equals to ptr else ptr minus greater than data is equals to n ptr minus greater than preview is equals to null ptr minus greater than next is equals to head minus greater than preview is equals to ptr head is equals to ptr void insert last int n ptr is equals to struct node star malloc size of struct node if ptr is equals to null c out overflow else c out enter data c in less than n greater than n ptr minus greater than data is equals to n if head is equals to null ptr minus greater than next is equals to null ptr minus greater than preview is equals to null head is equals to ptr else temp is equals to head while temp minus greater than next is equals to null temp is equals to temp minus greater than next temp minus greater than next is equals to ptr minus greater than preview is equals to temp ptr minus greater than next is equals to null void insert post int and post ptr is equals to struct node star malloc size of struct node c out enter data c in less than greater than n if ptr is equals to null c out less than overflow else temp is equals to head c out less than enter position to insert c in greater than post if for int I is equals to 0 I less than post minus 1 I plus plus temp is equals to temp minus greater than next if temp is equals to null c out there are less elements return ptr minus greater than data is equals to n ptr minus greater than next is equals to temp minus greater than next ptr minus greater than is equals to temp preview is equals to temp minus greater than next is equals to ptr temp minus greater than next is equals to minus greater than preview is equals to ptr void delete beg if head is equals to null c out underflow else if head minus greater than is equals to null head is equals to null c out deleted element is head minus head greater than head data free head else ptr is equals to head is equals to minus greater than next head minus greater than preview is equals to null c out delete element is less than ptr minus greater than data free ptr void delete last if head is equals to null c out underflow else if head minus greater than next is equals to null head is equals to null. Cout deleted element is head minus data greater than data free head. Else ptr is equals to head, temp is equals to head, ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next. While ptr minus greater than next is equals to null, ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next, temp is equals to temp minus greater than next, temp minus greater than next is equals to null. Cout less than deleted element is ptr minus greater than data free ptr void delete pause int pause cout enter position to delete c in greater than pause. ptr is equals to head for int I is equals to 0, I less than pause minus 1 I plus plus. ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next. If ptr minus greater than next is equals to null, cout can delete. Else if ptr minus greater than next is equals to null, ptr minus greater than next is equals to null. Else temp is equals to ptr minus greater than next, ptr minus greater than next is equals to temp minus greater than next, temp minus greater than next is equals to next minus temp greater than preview is equals to ptr. Cout delete element is less than temp minus greater than data free temp void display ptr is equals to head cout less than the doubly linked list is, while ptr is equals to null, cout ptr minus greater than data less than ptr is equals to ptr minus greater than next. And let's run the program. And enter your choice 1 insert, and again I am giving 1 and enter data 1 7 and choose 2 and delete it.